sure you're gonna. Alright. Oh no! Oh, let's start again.
No! It's not over yet. God, connect 4. You see it?
I know.
Okay. Okay, so yet another challenge. This time, Connect 4, my favorite childhood game, and I'm just discovering tonight it was her favorite childhood game too. So, game on. Ladies first, well, red first as well, so go ahead.
Come on, get back closer, baby. Get it on, get it on. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Wait. Oh no. Oh no.
Damn it. Come a little bit closer, baby. Get it on.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Don't block me. Oh my god. Oh, I just noticed it's MB, Mark Buckley.
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool. Oh, you blocked me again.
Uh-huh.
What the F?
Yeah, I'm ruthless.
I did this. I'm sure you're gonna. Alright. Oh no! Oh, let's start again.
No! It's not over yet. God, connect 4. You see it?
I know.
Okay.
Okay. 1 point. Wow.
Okay, so do I go first this
Yep.
time?
Good luck to you. Come on, babe.
Yeah, sure, why not?
Yeah.
You had a chance to win.
What?
You missed it. You had me trapped.
Oh yeah, it's right here.
Yeah, I missed it.
Oh, I missed that.
Whew, close one.
Oh. What? You're blocking my
I'm having a hard time seeing this because your black hair is
Alright.
interfering with my peripherals here.
Okie dokie, I'm gonna win. I know it. Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, you got me this time.
I got
Got
you.
me, good job. I think red is the unlucky color here.
Another color for you?
Doesn't matter.
What is it?
Well,
It's a nice color though.
alright,
Same
well,
thing with my nail.
alright, you want, well, since you go,
It's a tie.
yeah, okay, keep going. So I went first last time, so you go first this time.
Okay.
Alright, boss, you.
You bada bada bada. You. Why not?
Yeah, why not? Oh, I want to see this here, so
Oh, sure.
I don't want to see your
Okay,
hair.
okay.
This is, look at the colors of her outfit and her hair. It's like, I see black and I think there's a black tile there.
Hey.
Not there.
Okay.
There. I want to see black. Or red.
Okay. Your
Is it my
turn.
turn?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Come a little bit closer, baby. Ta-da! Connect 4.
How?
You see it?
Oh my god. Yes.
Okay, if you want it there, I have to be here. I don't want to see your color.
Okay.
The colors are distracting.
Red.
And black.
Red, and
Black.
okay.
Okay, fine. Boop, 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 boop.
Of course.
Of course.
Enter cars.
Connect 4.
What the F?
Dun dun dun.
Hold on. So that's first. So 3, 1.
I think so, yeah.
I love that. Okay, you first.
Okay.
This time I'm gonna beat you.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Okay.
Wait.
To you, baby.
Set your spirit free.
It's the only way to be.
Of course.
Crazy.
Oh no. Connect.
A lot of possibilities here.
There you go.
Oh, okay. Never mind. You don't see it. Connect 4.
What? How?
You don't see it?
Oh my god! I'm just focused on here this time.
Yeah, that was my strategy. So there, I mean, that would have been a block too, so you would have had to block it. And then if you did that, I would have gone on top for Connect 4. And then there's another one up here. Oh, no, here. They're all Connect 4s. See all the options?
Yeah. Can I have some marshmallow? Hey,
Okay,
you want one?
I'm good. I know we're gonna have dinner soon. All right, who's first? You? Okay. Interesting move. Let's go.
Wait.
No. Too late.
Okay.
Go.
Okay.
Leg 4.
Hindi ko nakita. Sure. Nice one.
Great one.
You first.
Okay.
I missed that. Oh my god. Come on.
Hey! Fair? So that's why she took me in.
One more here.
Yeah, okay. I have to really grip these things pretty good or else I'm gonna lose it.
I'm gonna beat you.
Okay, maybe.
What the F?
Connect
Hey!
4. Ta-da!
I don't like this game anymore. Okay, last chance. Last one. Last try.
Okay.
Let's see.
You wanna go first? You wanna be black?
Oh, never win, huh?
Hard to beat this one.
It's hard to beat this guy.
At this game, maybe.
In this game, yeah.
Yeah.
But in a different game, I'm
Yeah.
gonna beat you.
Yeah, that's true.
What? No.
Come on. You're just copying me now.
I know your trick now.
Oh yeah? Connect 4.
Ah!
Why'd you do that?
One more.
Alright, famous
Let's
last word.
see.
The reference one has to be up right now.
I need to be careful here, guys.
You lose.
Why?
Because you have to block me.
I see that.
Next 4.
Oh, never win this.